unfortunate to learn this, but it is called man overboard when somebody jumps or accidentally falls from the ship. One gentleman told us this, and so he told us that this is orange smoke, which is given as an emergency symbol. So it's very unfortunate. I don't know what happened, but it makes us very cautious also, because we are with kids. But one gentleman told us we are just waiting for disembarkation, and suddenly such incident happened, and they could find that person. Very unfortunate, but happy that they could rescue.
I think it's a boy लगता है, छोटा लगता है. Beautiful. Shadow. It's looking like a kid.
This is why this disembarkation from the first deck of the ship is difficult, because see, this is about 1.5 meter of jump. They are assisting, they are waiting. Yeah, I know. A very fairly new engine it appears. Most of these boats are administrator owned boats. Snorkeling is complimentary in the package, so we'll be doing that and little kayaking.
हम कल्पेनी बीच से बोट के थ्रू ये पिटी बीच आए हैं, और ये सोहम सैंड कासल बनाते हुए, और वो बीच में स्नेहम दिख रही है स्नॉर्कलिंग करके आते हुए, और वो उसके पापा। स्नॉर्कलिंग करी हमने जो समुद्रम के थ्रू कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री थी, एंड अब हम वापस बीच जा रहे हैं बोट से। जाना है अरे इसका ढक्कन खुल गया यार। और ये कासल सोहम का बन गया, और ये स्नॉर्कलिंग करके हमारे यहाँ लौटते हैं। बताइए, कुछ बताइए। तो आप अच्छे से चलाओ। स्नेहम, सोहम और उनके पापा कयाकिंग करते हैं। लंच हो गया है और अब कल्चरल प्रोग्राम होगा।
This is the Lakshadweep folk dance.
This is very important to have in the frame. It's Lakshadweep with Ladakh and it's youth exchange program. So one end of India with the other end of India, that's privilege. So thank you very much for this program, Government of India. Successfully done the first flight for this drone and it has been interesting. So तुम तो ड्रोन चलाते हो यार? क्यों? इतने नॉटी क्यों हो तुम? End of the Kalpeni island and it's quite calming and peaceful. Another island place just to sit and relax. Quite good corals and the remaining corals, dead corals you could see.